I know we haven't seen this car forever. There's been a lot going on, new cars, other things, but I am determined to get the little Rlaarlo here to break 100. So I fixed the control arm that broke, and I now have it bound to the mighty Spektrum iXSR. So let's see, maybe this remote can help keep this thing straight, and we can break 100 today. All right, so one thing I'm doing different is I'm running it on 3S, a 3S on each motor. I feel like before the 4S was just overpowering the car, so I want to see what I can do on 3S, because on 4S I couldn't even get the full throttle. So let's see here. We got speed. It's making some kind of weird noise. I'm not sure what that's all about. Oh man, look at that, I'm dragging the strap. Crap. There you can see it's a 5,000 milliamp hour Spektrum, because these fit in here so nicely. Oh, I can't believe I was dragging that. Sheesh. And check it out, got the Spektrum receiver in there. Really hoping, because that Dumbo gyro is just not very, very good. It's not good at all. This poor car. I would love to take this over to Rasa, the speed run. I know I talked to Chris with the C, said him and some friends are gonna do that next year, maybe. Ah. Man, I think that would just be amazing. All right, let's see. Let's see what speed we can get out of this. Nobody coming. Full throttle, man. Now I can't see where it's at. But that went nice and straight. Oh! It's still braking too hard. I think it must, yeah, it's something with these ESCs. It is such a cool car, though. I was saying, I think if I go to that event, I'll buy this thing a new body, make it look all nice. I do have a new wing for it. So what do you think? I don't think it was 100. I don't know. It didn't feel that fast. Yeah, 82. 82. Well, it's a good point to be at, because now I was able to go absolutely full throttle and this thing stayed straight. So my problem is with the 4S packs that I have there, the Spektrum packs. The last time I ran this car, when I got home and I checked the packs, or I might even did it here, I don't remember. One pack had a higher voltage than the other one, and then when I went to charge it, it was giving me some errors. One cell count. I remember, if you guys watched my JADO video, that was the battery that, oh, I cut that part out because of battery. I ran it in the JADO, and when I got done, like 3 of the cells were really weak, and 1 was completely full, and then I got an error on charger. So Horizon's going to warranty it for me, but they're back ordered. So I got to try to find something else that would be 4S that's actually going to fit into this body. That's hard. I need something with enough milliamp hours to get these motors, you know, going. But I think we're at a good spot. Car's running straight as can be. Whatever the speed was, I think. What do we have? 82. I'm thinking we almost did that speed on a single 4S. I think we did 70. I don't remember, but she's doing good, nice and straight. So I'm happy with that. I think the remote really made a big difference in there, because man, it was straight. I haven't seen it go this fast and be this straight. So Good stuff. So next step, I'll have it back out here with the 4S. I just got to find the batteries. Once I find something that will fit, because guys, you look, remember these things are standing up and it's quite narrow there. It's a very tight spot to fit 2 batteries. So once I find something that'll fit, we'll get it back out here, and hopefully it'll be soon. Everyone, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. Check out the channel for more content. We got off-road cars, we got planes, which I need to do. I haven't flown a plane in a while, but we need to get back at that, and I will have more of this. So check it out. Got loads of stuff for the channel. Appreciate the support. Links down below have you some discount codes, some affiliate links that help me buy these cars and that to bring to you. So greatly appreciate it. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.